Hi, Richard. I'm glad you joined us. It's Sterling here from Day Trading Forex Live. We just wanted to get a little experience on you first of all, and also your background with Day Trading Forex Live. So, first and foremost, what was your experience prior to Day Trading Forex Live? What was your experience in the Forex market?
Hi, Sterling. My experience has not been very satisfactory, I must confess. I've been attempting to trade the Forex for the last 3 years, and I've bought numerous courses over that time, and some of which were expensive, some not so expensive, but they all promised the same thing, promised success. And unfortunately, I haven't achieved that success yet.
So I guess you would say you're, a pretty average trader, someone that's been around the market for a little while, and you're just still trying to get really your footing in the market prior to, the joining the service.
That's right. Yes,
Okay.
I think I know most of the basics, and I can read charts, and I can use a computer. I traded equities and options for years back. Yeah, I'm a very average trader.
So then, I guess the next question here would be, what made you choose Day Trading Forex Live? What about the service, or what made you choose it? And then I guess the second would be, after you purchased the service, what have you found about the service that you like, you enjoyed? What has been your general overall experience with the service?
Well, first of all, I got involved with a couple of traders who were using a certain money market, a market makers program, and I used it up to a point. Then they told me about you guys and said that you were virtually using the same system, teaching the same system, but a very much easier to understand course. So I decided to buy it, and I must say that I have been incredibly impressed by it.
So what have you found about the service that is helpful for anybody that's new that may not be a member to the service? There's a lot of parts to it. There's obviously the Forex course, there's the daily market reviews, the live Forex room, and also the recordings of the room and the forum. What about the service have you found most beneficial for you personally?
Well, the service as a whole has been very beneficial to me. First of all, the way you've set out the course, it's very simple and easy to understand. Anybody would be able to understand it. Putting it into practice is another story. That, as far as I'm concerned, is just a learning curve. One has to put a lot of effort into it, but understanding it has made all the difference for me. Sorry, what was the other question you asked me? Oh, the support is nothing short of extraordinary. I've phoned Chad on numerous occasions or Skyped him, and within 10 minutes he's back and giving me an explanation and telling me where I'm going wrong. I really have never had support like this before. It's amazing.
Well,
It really is. And so friendly, both of you are just so very friendly. It's not as though you're doing us a favor, or me a favor anyway. I can only speak for myself. But it's as though I'm doing you a favor, and I get all these added bonuses like the daily market review. I mean, that is phenomenal on its own. And Chad's, what was that, his commentary, his daily commentary on the euro and the cable is, well, it's amazing, and it's just such a tremendous help. And if there's anything that I don't understand, I know that I can just ask Chad or you, and I'll have an answer. And I don't feel uncomfortable asking.
Well, that's great. You know, we try and make an atmosphere where it's a community of people. We've really tried to do that. I think we have a great community in the room where we're all able to interact with each other. There's never bickering back and forth. We're all after the same goal, and we're all trying to help each other towards that same goal. Chad and I can both improve. We can learn every day from our members, and so I think it's a group experience, and we all do well working towards that same goal. And I want to thank you for sharing your experience about day trading Forex Live, and I also like to thank you for the kind words about the service, and I'm glad that you're really enjoying and finding the service useful.
Well, I can only say thank you to both of you for putting the effort in that you have. And whether I'm successful at the end of this or not, it will be up to me. I know that. And I don't think you guys can do much more, really.